Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving deep into the world of minimalist interior design, and let's learn how to create a stunning minimalist interior design in your home. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Minimalist interior design is a style that's become increasingly popular, and for good reason. It's about more than just decluttering. It's about creating a space that's calming, functional, and truly reflects your personal style. So if you're ready to embrace simplicity and create a stunning minimalist home, you've come to the right place. Let's start with the basics. Minimalist interior design is more than just an aesthetic. It's a philosophy. It's about stripping away the unnecessary and focusing on what truly matters. It emphasizes clean lines, open spaces, and a carefully curated selection of furniture and decor. Think of it as intentional living applied to your home. It's not about stark, cold spaces. It's about creating a warm and inviting environment that's free from distractions and promotes a sense of peace and tranquility. It's about quality over quantity, choosing pieces that are both beautiful and functional, and understanding the power of negative space. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, minimalist interior design offers a wealth of practical benefits. First and foremost, it creates a sense of calm and order. A clutter-free environment can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. It allows you to focus on what's important and enjoy your home without feeling overwhelmed. Secondly, minimalist design can actually make your space feel larger. By removing unnecessary furniture and decor, you create more visual space and allow natural light to flow freely. Thirdly, it's incredibly versatile. The clean lines and neutral color palettes of minimalist design provide a perfect backdrop for showcasing your personal style. You can easily incorporate pops of color or unique textures without creating a cluttered look. Finally, minimalist design can be more sustainable. By focusing on quality pieces that will last, you reduce the need for constant replacements and contribute to a more conscious lifestyle. How do you make a good minimalist interior design? Creating a successful minimalist interior design requires careful planning and execution. Here are some key steps to follow. First, declutter ruthlessly. This is the foundation of minimalist design. Go through each room and get rid of anything you don't need, use, or love. Be honest with yourself and don't be afraid to let go. Second, focus on functionality. Choose furniture and decor that serve a purpose. Every piece should be both beautiful and functional. Third, embrace neutral color palettes. Stick to a base of neutral colors like white, beige, gray, and black. These colors create a sense of calm and provide a blank canvas for adding pops of color later on. Fourth, prioritize natural light. Maximize the amount of natural light in your space. Open up blinds and curtains and consider using sheer curtains to diffuse the light. Fifth, incorporate texture. While minimalist design emphasizes simplicity, it doesn't mean it has to be boring. Add texture through natural materials like wood, linen, and wool. Sixth, use art strategically. Choose a few key pieces of art that you love and that complement your overall design. Avoid cluttering your walls with too many small pieces. Seventh, create focal points. Identify the focal points in each room and arrange your furniture and decor around them. This could be a fireplace, a large window, or a statement piece of furniture. Eighth, pay attention to scale and proportion. Make sure that your furniture and decor are appropriately scaled for the size of your room. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many large pieces. Don't be afraid of negative space. Empty space is just as important as filled space in minimalist design. It allows the eye to rest and creates a sense of balance. Personalize your space. While minimalist design emphasizes simplicity, it should still reflect your personal style. Incorporate pieces that you love and that make you feel happy. What are the best color schemes for minimalist interior design? Color plays a crucial role in minimalist design. As mentioned earlier, neutral color palettes are the foundation. However, that doesn't mean your space has to be devoid of color. Here are some popular and effective minimalist color schemes. 1. Monochromatic. Using different shades and tints of a single color can create a sophisticated and calming look. 2. Neutral with a pop of color. A predominantly neutral palette with 1 or 2 accent colors can add personality and visual interest. Consider using colors like blue, green, or yellow sparingly. 3. Black and white. This classic combination is timeless and creates a striking contrast. It's perfect for creating a modern and minimalist look. 4. Earthy tones. Using natural earthy tones like beige, brown, and green can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best minimalist interior design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Open plan living. Combine living, dining, and kitchen areas for a spacious and airy feel. 2. Statement lighting. A single striking pendant light can be a focal point in a minimalist room. 3. Floating shelves. These create storage without visual clutter. 4. Minimalist art. Choose a few impactful pieces rather than lots of smaller ones. 5. Natural materials. Incorporate wood, stone, and linen for warmth and texture. 6. Hidden storage. Keep clutter out of sight with clever storage solutions. 7. Neutral bedding. Opt for simple, high-quality bedding in calming colors. 8. Indoor plants. Add a touch of nature and purify the air. 9. Minimalist bathroom. Create a spa-like atmosphere with clean lines and natural materials. 10. Focus on textures. Use rugs, throws, and cushions to add depth and interest. Minimalist interior design is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being and reflects your personal style. By embracing simplicity, functionality, and intentionality, you can transform your home into a sanctuary of calm and beauty. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Interior Decor Designs, for more interior design tips and inspiration. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite minimalist design ideas are. We love hearing from you.